guys, welcome to my first ever long video on this channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Today I'm going to give you a haul of all the stuff that I got from Zara and H&M sale. So let's get along. Oh my god. The dress, stunning. I really like the cowl neck happening here. The fit, the everything, the polka dots, the color, everything stunning. I really love the fit. Oh my god. I can wear it as a top. I can wear it as a... Oh my god. I can wear it as a skirt. I can wear it as a top. I can't show you the back. This is another pretty top from Zara. I think pretty good. Like I said, I can wear a dress as a skirt, as a top. I mean, it's going so good. I like the neck. I like the color. I like whatever is happening here. But I think here it's a little bit uncomfortable. I need to give a stitch. Dressed. Woo. It's perfect. I love it. I love to pause it. No. It's what happening. Oh my god. I mean, people are watching. See? Still it's not happening. This is still loose. Maybe this would have been a little better if it would have been tighter from here. Rest. Pretty good. Also, this top, as it's white in color, you can wear it with anything. You can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with a trouser, skirt, leather pants. I know what you're thinking. Another polka dot. This thing is not happening. A polka dot with a polka dots. Not happening. Give me a minute, I'll quickly go and change it and come back. This kind of took me eternity, but okay. I'm going as big as I can. I'm wearing a little pants. I don't know what pants it is, but yeah, the color is going. You can wear it with anything you want, whatever you think is going with the top. I really like a dew neck thing happening here, but I think I should have bought a size bigger because this part, I think it's a little tighter. But either way, I love this top and I'm gonna wear it anywhere, everywhere. You're gonna see me wearing this all the time. Oh my god. This is another top from Zara and oh my, I think I think collar size bigger. Either I'm getting size bigger or smaller and nothing of my size. The only one dress that I got is of my size. The rest is either S or it's either L. And I have to alter this top because it's giving a peekaboo situation. But dress, I mean, look at the top. The color, the checks. Peekaboo situation is happening here and there. But dress is top, I think, amazing. Another peekaboo situation happening, guys. But if it's polka dot, it's coming home with me. This top I got from H&M. You tell me, how do you like this top? I think I'm a little dicey now, but either way, I'll have to keep it. I might use this for, I don't know. Yeah, I'll think of it, I mean. As a rest, I think it's good. These two be paired with a better vest, really. Then to look nice. I think a jeans will go with this top, a baggy jeans, or you tell me. A skirt will, I don't think skirt will go with this. But yeah, it still will go. A white skirt. I don't know, you tell me. This ticket I got from H&M, guys. This top, it's called Jersey. I don't know what for. But yeah, I really like the halter neck thing. I have a plenty of halter necks, but this is giving. I mean, you can see my shoulder. Kidding. But anyway, a peekaboo situation is happening here as well, but I need to stitch it better because again, a size bigger size I got, guys. You tell me what should I wear below this. I mean, what should I pair it with? Because I have got the same texture pants as well, but I don't like it. It's not going together. So I thought of pairing it with the same color pants, but the same one, I think it's not going. You tell me what should I pair it with. This is the last of the products of all the stuff that I got from Zara and H&M. You tell me which fit you like the most. Comment down below the fit you like the most, and which should I recreate, which should I rewear and go out and make an OOTD for the sale. To the end of this video now. I hope you give all your love, support, and share this video if you really like it, and tell me what videos ideas I should come up with next if you want to, that is. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I'll see you soon, guys.